Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Everything Tabby. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so you get to see more of my videos when I post them. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my videos. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be making a chocolate cake. I decided to try out a new recipe different from the one I usually do. So like any chocolate cake, you want to start with your dry ingredients. So that's me putting the sugar into the bowl, and next I'm putting the flour and the cocoa powder. So here you just want to mix all the dry ingredients first before you go into the wet ingredients. So this is me adding baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm basically going to leave in the ingredients and the recipe down below in the description box, so do well to check it out. So I'm adding all the dry ingredients, the baking powder, baking soda and salt, added to your cocoa powder and flour. So you want to give that a good shake under your sieve, to remove lumps and dirt and whatever thing that might be inside your ingredients. So as you can see, we have some lumps on it, so we have to trash that. So that's the essence of sieving. You cannot overemphasize the importance of sieving your flour and your dry ingredients here. So once that's done, we want to mix together. You mix it thoroughly together to make sure everything is well combined, and then you start adding your wet ingredients. So I'm adding the egg first, and then I'm adding the oil. So like I said, I'll leave the ingredients in the description box below. So yeah, you add your eggs, your oil, and then your milk. So this is the milk I'm using, Evap, and I'm also adding the vanilla flavor. So do it to add all of these and give it a very good mix with your hand whisk. You don't need a hand mixer for this, or you don't need an electronic mixer for this. Just use your hand whisk to combine thoroughly. So you want to shake it off so all the powdered ingredient comes out of the whisk. So the next thing you want to do is make your coffee, according to what I call it, but you just put in your Nescafé and your hot water. You mix it together thoroughly and dissolve the Nescafé, and then you pour it into your batter while the water is still hot. You don't need warm water here, you need hot water here. So you pour that into your batter and you mix it very well, and you just get to see the immediate change in your batter, and it looks so rich and yummy and everything. So this chocolate cake is a banger. It always eats, no matter the recipe you use. Like the recipe I use and this one I'm trying out is a banger. So chocolate cakes are the best. Okay guys, so once you're done mixing, you want to pour it into your already creamed pan, and then you tap it to remove air bubbles, and then you bake. So this is the result of our hard work here. It came out so nice, so fluffy, so tasty. It is everything and more. And I also made some cupcakes as well. So yeah, cupcakes are always nice for you to just hand out to everyone around you that is asking for cake. So yeah, I made some cupcakes as well. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.